Question. Question I'm writing here. Write a program that inputs to list and create a third list that contains all elements of the first followed by all elements of the second. Now question is clear. Question says that write a program that inputs two lists, means we have to take two lists from the user and create a third list, एक तीसरी लिस्ट बनानी है that contains all the elements of the first, उसमें पहले फर्स्ट लिस्ट के सारे एलिमेंट आने चाहिए, followed by all the elements of second, और फिर सेकेंड लिस्ट के सारे एलिमेंट्स आने चाहिए. Now question is clear to all of you? Question is clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do this question in Python software. Do you know how we take list from the user? लिस्ट लेते कैसे हैं यूजर से, ये आपको आता है? Anybody knows how we take list from the user? Reply me yes or no. Students, please reply. Do you know how to take list from the user? क्या हो गया बेटा? To take list from the user with the help of eval function. Take the list one, lst1. lst1 is for list one equals to eval, evaluate. Then inside this you have to take input and then enter first list. Then close this brackets. Similarly, you have to take second list from the user, eval input, enter second list. After that, now question says that you have to merge these two lists together and create one more list. So now we want to create one more list, that is called list number 3, by adding first list with second list. So for adding, for concatenation, we have plus operator. So lst2 means list 1 plus list 2 means all the elements of first list, then followed by क्या आएंगे, elements of second list, and then print list 3. Save your program. question 2 underscore list dot py. Then execute this, enter first list, or you know very well we have to take list in the square brackets like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the first list. Press enter, enter second list. Now 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. This is our second list. Now press enter. This is our third list. Final list. देखो 1 2 3 4, these are the list element of first one, and 5 6 7 8, these are the elements of list 2. Both are merged. Now question, look your question. Question क्या था? Write a program that inputs two list. Yes, we have taken two list, and create a third list. Yes, we have created third list that contains all the elements of first followed by all the elements of second. मतलब पहले first element आने चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद second के सारे element आने चाहिए. Look this, we have taken two lists from the user. Yes. After that, third list is created with all the elements of first as well as second. Is it clear? Yes or no? Any doubt in this program?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir,
Everything is clear? If you have doubt, please ask. This is the question number 2 in your book. Clear?
No, sir.
Then next question. Ask the user to enter a list containing numbers between 1 and 12. Then replace all the entries in the list that are greater than 10 with 10. Now I'm writing question first. Ask the user to enter a list containing numbers between 1 and 12, then replace all of the entries in the list that are greater than 10 with 10. Now question is clear, yes or no? देखो question कह रहा है ask the user to enter a list containing numbers between 1 and 12. Means user have to enter a list with the numbers from 1 and 12. Means इसके अंदर जितने भी elements आएंगे including 1 and 12 also. ठीक है, 1 and 12 को भी include कर लेना, तो हमें list लेनी है ऐसी. Then replace all the entries in the list that are greater than 10 with 10. Means उन नंबर को हमें replace करना है जो 10 से बड़े होंगे. Means like 11 or 12. If user enters 11 or 12 in the list, then these numbers replaced with 10. Now question is clear? Question समझ में आ गया आप लोग को?
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Good. Now question is clear. The first line same in the previous question. Ask the user to enter the list. That means you have to take list from the user. So LST is a list variable. Eval function, we have to take value from the user in list manner. Then enter the list elements. This is a message. Then, or you have to pass the message like in this manner, enter the list elements between 1 and 12. Clear? In this manner, user can enter the elements. Then question says that then replace all the entries in the list that are greater than 10 with 10. Means if any element we get more than 10, then it is replaced with 10. For this, I have to use length variable, length equals to len lst, because we don't know how many list elements of the list are entered. यूजर ने 4 नंबर एंटर किए लिस्ट में, या 10 नंबर एंटर किए, या 15 नंबर एंटर किए, हमें नहीं पता. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट लेंथ ऑफ द लिस्ट. तो len is a function to calculate length of the list. After that, for loop I in range in bracket length, then colon start. If LST means list का first index is greater than 10 है, then LST उस फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे, मतलब उस इंडेक्स पर क्या आ जाएगा, 10 आ जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ print LST. I hope this will execute. Save this program. Four, 9, 11, 12, 1. I have entered 4, 9, 11, 12, 1. Means these are the 5 list elements. 4, 9, 11, 12 and 1. These are the 5 list elements. Press enter key. We will get answer 4, 9, 10, 10, 1. Question says that if the list element is more than 10, जब कोई list element 10 से बड़ा होगा, yes, we are getting 11 here. So replace this 11 with 10. And next one, 12. 12 is also greater than 10. It is also replaced with 10. ये भी 10 से बड़ा है, तो 10 के साथ replace हो जाएगा. Now see this code. First you have to take value from the user, then calculate its length. ठीक है? Then execute for loop for I in range length. This loop is used to take index value of the list. This loop is used to take index value of the list. Now see with the help of example here. Suppose I have taken number like 1, 5, 12, 11, 2 like this. These are the 5 elements. So means this 1 is stored at 0 index, then 5 is stored at 1 index, then 12 is stored in 2 index, 3 index, or this one is at 4 index. Means total length of this list is 5. Length of this list is 5. Start from 0 and finished at size -1. That means length -1 is 4. तो यहाँ तक चलेगा. first time the value of 0 I, first time value of I is 0, so list at 0 index, what we get, that is 1. 1 is greater than 11, 1 is greater than 10, no, condition false, condition false. Then next value of I is 1, next value of I is 1, list first index, there is 5, there is 5, 5 is greater than 10, no, condition again false, again increment the value of I, now we get the value of I is 2, list 2 index, second index पे क्या मिलेगा, that is 12, 12 is greater than 10, yes, condition true. So at this index means list I means index number 2, we will assign 10, जो लिस्ट का सेकेंड इंडेक्स है उसमें 10 आ जाएगा. नाउ वी गेट न्यू लिस्ट इन दिस मैनर, 1 नो चेंज, 1 में नो चेंज, 5 में नो चेंज, देन 12 is replaced with 10. Now next time the value of I is 3, I is 3, in list at 3 index we get 11, 11 is greater than 10, yes, it is greater than 10. So at third index, we will assign this 10. Now the new value at third index is 10. Then value of I is 4. List 4, we get 2. 2 is greater than 10. No, so don't change here. In this manner, we will get the answer. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I am asking to everyone, is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 1 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 square means 5 to the power 2 plus dot plus n to the power 2 bracket input n. This is your question. Question says that write Python program to sum the given sequences. Write the Python program to sum the given sequences. Means one sequence, it is given 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dot n square. Here value of n you have to take from the user. Means n means how many number user want to take. Like till the 7, maybe 9, maybe 11. कहाँ तक user ने चलाना है? Can you do this type of question? Students, बताओ जी. n equals to int input enter the value of n, then if n is modulus by 2 not equals to 0, then n equals to n plus 1. After that, for I in range 1 comma n comma 2 colon And one more variable we need here, sum, sum equals to, sum is a keyword, sum equals to, or you have to take another add, equals to 0. Then add equals to add plus I into I print the sum is comma sum add. Now save this program. Enter the value of n. N means, suppose I am taking 5. Then the result is, the sum is 35. Let's check, is it correct or not? 1 का square, 1 into 1 equals to 1, comma 3 का square, 3 into 3 equals to 9, comma 5 का square equals to 25. Then 1 plus 9 plus 25. Result is 35. Yes, our answer is correct. देख लो. When I have taken the value of n is 5, we get answer 35. Is it clear? Look, n input, enter the value of n. Here I have taken value of n is 5. Initial value of add is 0. 5 modulus 2 not equals to 0. That means 5 modulus 2, we get remainder 1. 1 not equals to 0. Yes, condition true. Condition true. Then increment the value of n. So now the value of n is 6. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 हो गई. For I in range 1, 6, 2. 1, 6, 2. That means first value add equals to add plus I into I. So 1 into 1, that is 1 plus the value of add. Add की value क्या थी? 0. 0 plus 1, that is the new value of add. Add की क्या value बन गई? नहीं. What is the new value of add? क्या बनी बेटा?
1.
1 बनी. Very good. Reply करते रहो. And add equals to 1. Then increment 2, क्योंकि step value is 2. ठीक है. Now 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 is the new value of I. Now 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 add with add value of add. Value of add क्या थी? 1. तो 9 plus 1, that is 10. So new value of add is 10. अब add की नई value 10 बन गई. Then 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5, come here. The new value of I is 5. 5 into 5, that is 25. 25 plus 10, that is 35. 35. And then when you increment 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 not belongs to this range. So we come out from this loop and the sum is 35. This is our answer. Is it clear?